Rivnuts, great for practical upgrades, questionable for, well, some of the other things I tried. Let's dive in as I show you how this tool can upgrade your workspace. First up, I'm adding a magnetic bar to my Yukon tool cart for quick access to my most used tools. It's too simple. Mark the mounting spots, drill the holes, and install the M6 Rivnuts. When you squeeze the handles, you can see the Rivnut compress and lock into place. And mounting the magnetic bar is as easy as screwing it into the Rivnuts. Now I've got all my essentials within arm's reach. No more digging through the drawers. Next, I'm mounting a power strip with USB ports. It's perfect for keeping tools charged or plugging in my heat gun without a tangle of extension cords. But I should probably apologize for my camera guy here. He missed the best angle during installation. We're still training him. With the Rivnuts in place, the power strip mounts securely to the cart. This upgrade keeps power right where I need it. No more scrambling around to find an outlet or fighting an extension cord mess. Finally, I'm repurposing a hairdryer holder as a heat gun station. This thing comes with bonus storage, a storage cup, slots for tools, and even a phone holder. After mounting it low enough to avoid interfering with the magnetic bar, but high enough to stay accessible, it becomes a dedicated spot for my heat gun. Workspace clutter? That's handled. Okay, let's tackle something a little bit bigger. First, I switched to the M8 mandrel. Changing mandrel sizes on this tool is a breeze. Just unscrew the nose piece, swap the mandrel, and screw it back together. No extra tools needed. Now here's where the fun started. Drilling into hardened steel. Let me tell you, I was drilling and drilling and drilling. If you're going to take on something like this, don't forget the cutting oil. Trust me, it'll save your drill bits and your patience. Once the hole was drilled, installing the Rivnut was a snap. Just squeeze the handles and they compress perfectly into place. This thing isn't going anywhere. Next, I bolted the fan to the beam using a wide washer to spread out the load and keep it secure. Then I screwed the cover back onto the fan to finish it up. And just like that, my summer projects are about to get a whole lot cooler, literally. And of course, I had to test some items that probably don't need Rivnuts, like a takeout container. Someone's favorite cup. And my personal favorite, a watch band. Industrial fashion meets functionality, or something. From practical to questionable upgrades, this tool has proven it's not just versatile, but also incredibly easy to use. Now, let's shift our attention to the tool and explore the reasons behind its widespread adoption in workshops. Here we have the Hardell upgraded 14-inch Rivet Nut Tool. First impression? It comes in a rugged case that feels like it could survive a garage apocalypse. And look at these hinged latches. These aren't your typical snap and crack style latches. They're built to last. Nice touch, Hardell. Inside, we've got the instructions, the tool itself, and a treasure trove of accessories. 7 mandrels, 3 metric sizes, and 4 say sizes. It even comes with rivet nuts to get you started matched to every mandrel size. And look at that, Hardell's already set you up with the M8 loaded in the tool. Changing mandrels is almost too easy. Here's how it works. First, remove the nose piece that matches the mandrel size. Then, remove the sleeve. Pop out the mandrel. It only fits one way, thanks to its unique shape, so no guessing games. Slide in the new mandrel. Screw the sleeve back on. Reattach the nose piece, and boom, you're ready to go. It's quick, straightforward, and best of all, you don't need a special tool. Some other brands, they'll have you hunting for a wrench or some fiddly key. Hardell keeps it simple, and I'm here for it. When you're ready to use it, screw the rivet nut onto the mandrel, like so. Then, squeeze the handles together. These long handles make it surprisingly effortless. Once it's mounted, unscrew the tool by turning this handy knob right here between the handles. That's it. Mounting a rivet nut doesn't get much smoother than this. This tool doesn't just talk the talk, it walks the walk. Everything you've already seen in action, it's all thanks to this simple but powerful setup. Now you know exactly how it works and why it's so versatile.
And there you have it, from functional upgrades that make life in the shop easier to, well, questionable mods that nobody needs. This Rivet Nut tool opens up a world of possibilities. If this video gave you some inspiration, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss what's next. I've put a link to it in the description so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.